All right, so we're past the basics. We're going to start moving into the anatomy of the chart. What are charts? How to read charts, how to analyze charts from a technical perspective. We learned in previous videos when the market is going up, that is a long, or we're going long, or it's also called a buy. That's also known as a bull market. When the market is trending up, it's a bull market. When the market is falling, we call it a short, or we take a short position, or we take a sell position. That's all the same. That's called a bear market when the market is moving down. Now, normally when you see this in the chart, when the market's going up, you'll see green. When the market's going down, you'll see red. You'll see green or blue when the market is going up, and then you'll see red when the market's going down. And so I want you to know that terminology. Bear markets, the market is shorting, the market is falling, the market is selling off. Bull markets, the market is moving up. The market is buying, the market is going long. So those are going to be important terms, but we're going to jump into this in this video, how the charts are set up, the anatomy of the chart. So let's get to the video that I previously recorded. All right, so how do you read charts? If you understand charts, it's on an X and Y axis. So vertically, what you'll see on the charts, you'll see price. That's the exchange rate that we were talking about yesterday. You're going to see price. And so price is price. The price is the price. Remember that. The price is the price. It doesn't matter what you think. It doesn't matter what anybody's opinion is. When $6.6 trillion is moving the market, the price is the price. It just is what it is. All right. And so we don't have any control over that. And so the reason why I say that is we just accept price for what it is. And we don't say, oh, it should have went here or it should have went there. No, it went exactly where it said it was going to go. And so we follow price action. We follow price up and we follow it down. If price is going up and you say, well, I think it should go down, you're going to lose a lot of money because price is the price. If it goes up, it just goes up. You go up with it. If it goes down, you go down with it and you follow price action. Now that price is going to go up and down on different time frames. And so that's this axis here. This horizontal axis is always going to be time. And it expresses what price is at a certain time. And what we know about time is, like Cherie said, that she held her positions for like 15 minutes. So what was priced in that 15-minute mark versus me who held this trade for a day and a half? And then we see a price. So this horizontal chart will deal with time in different segments. So this can be a second chart, a 5-second chart, a 1-minute chart, a 5-minute chart, a 1-hour chart, a 4-hour chart, a 1-day chart, a 1-week chart, or a 1-month chart. The times will change, but the price will remain the same based on at all times, just where it's at. And that's going to be important. And we'll show you why that's important as we go on. And so if at a certain time, what the charts do is it records what the price was at that time. So if I was on a 5-minute chart and the 5 minutes passed, the chart would record the time when that 5 minutes closed, and then it would record the time when the next 5-minute closed. If I was on a monthly chart, it would show me when August closed what the price was. And then the next one would show me when September closed what the price was. And so that continues on. And if you just connect the dots, you essentially have your chart. And you'll know what we call looking left. Some people say looking left to get right. Looking left will show you the history of where the market said they like price to be. We'll learn more about that as we go on. So essentially what is happening is the charts is telling us the story of the direction that price wants to go based on where price has been in the past. History has the characteristics of repeating itself. So where it has been before, it will be again. And that's the importance of the charts, to record that data. And so when you look at TradingView, you can go back years and see where price has been. You can even look at historically when things happen, when a new president was elected, when interest rates rose, when wars happen, what happened to price, and what price, what range did it go to? You can go back in history and find that by looking left. And so the charts tell a story of direction.
All right, so I want you to go to TradingView and we can activate what we just learned. On TradingView, once you go there, you'll see a chart. You can click on any symbol and you'll see a chart. What I want you to do, you don't have to understand this right now. You're going to learn this chart more and more as the videos continue. But what I want you to do is I want you to click on any chart. Let's go to our trade, Euro USD. And I want you to go to the top toolbar. And I want you to scroll over to where you see these rectangles, these vertical rectangles. These are candles. I want you to click that and it'll pull up options. I want you to scroll down to line and highlight that with the star. All right, then you can click off of it. Now that will be on that toolbar. It's a line graph. I want you to hover over that and click it. And that's going to change your chart to a line graph. All right, and so I want you to do that. Look at the line graph and what it's communicating to you. What it's communicating to you is what the exchange rate is at certain times. And so right now we can see the exchange rate for Euro USD is 1.07098. That's at this point in time. But if we look over at other points in times, we can see what that price was before. At the bottom of the TradingView chart, you're going to see exactly what we talked about, is time. Right now you can see February, March, April, May. Well, what is that? Right, if you go up to the toolbar, you'll see the D selected, and that's because we're on a day. So as what price is reporting is it's reporting price by day. What I want you to do is click on that D, which stands for day. Click on it and you'll see different time frames. What I want you to do is hover over the day and you'll see the star. Highlight the star just by clicking it. So now that star is yellow. I want you to highlight the week. Click on the month. And we're adding this to our favorites so it's easy to get to. Go to the 4 hour. Make sure the star is highlighted. Go to the 1 hour. Click that. Go to the 15 minute. And then go to the 5 minute. And then go to the 1 minute. And then click off. What you'll see now is different time frames in the toolbar. So if I click on the month, now time is portrayed on the month. If I click on the week, that's a chart for showing price by week. If I click on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, you can see that this table will turn and I'm able to see price right now every minute. 5 minute, I'm able down below, I'm able to see it every 5 minutes, what price is. On the 15 minute, I'm able to see what price is by the every 15. And so it's recording in time, in time intervals, what price is. Click on TradingView, go through a few different pairs and do this, but I want you to get familiar with different time frames with the chart. Now click back off of the line, go back to bar, and we'll explain what these bars are in future videos. All right.